Today we're going to be replacing the air filter in a 2015 Ford Edge. The air filter itself we're going with today is an actual Fram. It's a CA11480 air filter. It's very simple to install. Let's get to it. On the Ford Edge, the air filter compartment is just right here in the very front, and there's two little areas for tabs that are just right here on the side. You just pop them off, and then you just kind of wiggle this out a little bit. It can feel like it's going to get stuck a little. There's two little notches on the back side that you have to kind of get it around. And then I'll just kind of lift right straight up and out of the way. And you can remove the air filter. As you can see, the air filter is a little bit on the actual dirty side. There is some stuff on the inside. Looks like there's some bug wings and some good leaves and everything else. The top side looks pretty well okay. But we're going to go ahead and replace it anyway because this is one that's been in here for, I think it's almost 30,000 miles now. So it is time. Kind of flexing up the hose a little bit, looking down inside. There is a little bit of tree debris, so I'm just kind of pulling that out. That's where the gloves come in handy. Looking down inside the box, it looks pretty much clean. As you can see, it looks just like the other one did, but this one's actually orange. It's got the nice, good filter on the actual bottom side. This is the Fram Extra Guard. This is not the Extra Guard. They don't actually make one actually for this model. But this is still a good one to put in. And you just slide it right in there. Then you latch it back on. Then you make sure you got a nice tight seal on the air box. Otherwise, stuff can actually get in there. You gotta remember, it comes up and then over again. If you like this video, be sure you click the subscribe button and then click the bell next to it to be notified when we actually release a new video. Thanks for watching.